Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
God will see us through in the mighty name of Jesus. Please, if you know you are watching, you have not shared, please just do just that. As I should do that, God bless you richly in Jesus' name. And please, another thing again, I want to beg us. If you are watching right now and you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, because at any time they may be attacking our page. We don't know when that is going to be. You know, these people, they're not the right letter. So they have been dealing on. You guys were surprised that we can also have to up to about 100, 500 something people here watching. I think that was last week here. It was marvelous here also, you know. So most of the time they play with our page. So whatever thing they like, now they do with them. So, but if na person, now they do am, he go surprise. Did they wait jam person like me? Any person who have been reporting our page, Mona just watch out. It's not going to be rosy for that person. It's not going to be rosy for that person. So earlier they changed. Because I've tried all humanity possible best to make sure that if we are coming out for broadcast, we always do it from a different perspective. So we are not the type who do something from one perspective. You know, in the entrance of the word of God, there is light. So we always use that light most of the time to help ourselves against any form of things that will not bring glory to God. We always avoid it. That's why I've never one day go to anybody's war or begin to use proxy account to comment on anybody, whatever. If I want to correct any impression, I correct it here from my platform. Come and use my word against me. I will be very happy if anybody comes out tomorrow and tell me, Newton, there was this thing you said. Why is it like that? Why is it like this? But most of the fight I have fought in social media, I've used a lot of people word against them, and yet they have no single one to use against me. And let them come and say, this was not how God said this thing should be. But the Bible have been my defender right from time. That's why we will always be a winner in this very platform. So if you want to be a part of that winning group, join us here. As you do that, God bless you richly in Jesus' name. Please, if you check that the heading there, you click and go see more. That link we did there, please just help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have to about 500 whether 3 now, so. And without it's not up to 1,000, there's no way you can broadcast their live. So that it's good we have substitute. So that when something happens to this one, we can easily switch up to the other one, because anything can happen. Anything can happen. So if you know you have not yet subscribed, because it took me time at times just trying to import this thing to some groups. But there are some groups right now, I will never share my video there again, because person know they use something. At times you search some things, what is affecting your community to some groups. It happens here in Alicante. Here is not made for political issue. How will you have a platform? We are discussing about the webinar our country wanted better. Then you say it's not made for political issue. Then why are we gathering? That's why I do tell us, aluta continua. Porque, like what is written in the book of Hebrew chapter 13 verse 1. Let brotherly love continue. Brotherly love will not continue. There never a time to continue until you begin to have the same ideology that I have for a better society. That's what will make me and you to be friends. Even from that, count me out. That's why a lot of people right now will be surprised they are no longer seeing me. Because you don't scare me. Whatever thing I'm doing, you don't create a platform and say, this platform was not created for so and so thing. What is it created for? Not be people like when they share sack. Hygiene in our society. People go see hate them. So mind the people you liaise with. A lot of people are demons. They don't want to gather you to get to their destination. As soon as they cannot see food to eat, they tell you goodbye. So we are still going to pray before we start the program in proper. Eternal King of Glory, we thank you for an hour like this. We glorify your name because this is the day you have made. We rejoice and we glad in it. Father Lord, as we talk much about leadership today, point 2 or part 2, give us the grace to say true. Father Lord, as many that are always sharing our video, Eternal King of Glory. Father Lord, in their family, they will count according to what has been written down in the book of Numbers 31 verse 49. He said, and they came to come and tell Moses that we have counted and none is missing. Father Lord, after this hard time the whole world is passing through today, they will count members of their family and none will be missing in Jesus' name. Father, Lord, they will never know no lack. Let this platform realize its dreams and its proper purpose. In Jesus' name, amen. So we have give what belongs to Caesar, and also what belongs to God to God. And I'm going to be showing us a lot of things, because we are going to be analyzing it one by one. There was something that happened in the local government. We are going to start from there. There is something that happened in a local government. Let's just start from there. Something happened. We want to be talking more about the food the government shared. It didn't share it for those of you that have eaten from the politics. I don't even need those state government to call me and say, help me say this thing. I'm not in the government, but I know some of the things that is happening there in the government more than the people that are there. Because I'm watching with my real heart. I'm not after what I'm going to gain. If you check the data, for those of us that were saying, at least if Obaseki, for example, I was paid to give my support to Obaseki for his second tenure, for example, at least by now, I will not be stressing myself. I'll tell them, give me at least one full box of relief material. Let me also share through my association. But I never does that. Nobody even send me message, look how far they have gone. But I was able to make contact. Please, as you are sharing this food, share it judiciously to the glory of God. Then now, let's start from here. This was 1 carton of Indomie was given to 10 treats to share inaugure of Ego Palace. This is what I saw in social media. I'm going to be showing us the video right now. 1 carton of Indomie was given to 10 streets to share inaugure of Ego Palace. You know, I showed us a video the other day. I'm still going to look if I can get that video. How, whether it was the local government chairman or whatever, maybe it might be one of the top officials of a local government. That how he said that, she said that the Enoge told his boys to humiliate her or something. You know, so that's that. Let's start from this very video. Then I have a word for the Enoge. If the government remove the wire or you or one of fear with there, government cannot be that wicked.
They brought it out today. Everyone wants to share it now. It's a big shame for them. I was really scared.
Please share this video, share the broadcast. Now, please share this video. I would have put a breaking news there. This is an effort of some group of people to tarnish Obaseki political career. This is just a way of people committing evil. We know our government is bad. Nobody in this world, if you believe that, I to say you can also do such a thing. We know our government is bad. It's bad from the federal. We know our state government is bad, but not to this extent that giving 1 carton of Indomie to 10 street to share. There's no way this thing can happen. I've said it before now that the food sharing in Edo State was also politicized. Where they made mistake was that they would have allowed the so-called politicians to be at the forefront. Because these are the same politicians, if they get allocation from the government, they go to their ward and say nothing have happened. This is what they do. Could you know, people right now have stored rice and they relief material that is made for the vulnerable citizens for next 4 years ago. That's what they know how to do. That's what I'm talking about, leadership. Under normal condition, a local government, a nogi, or a Ogego is not supposed to share from this food. I will give you the reason. One, he has money. If I thought we are going to start counting the less privileged ones, it did not fall in there. These are some of the things I talked to you about yesterday. That leaders are not ready really to make that sacrifice as a leader. That is the problem, the main problem that we have. Until leaders begin to behave as leader in Nigeria, nothing will ever work out. We were aware the other day, there's not going to be time for me to show us the video, that how fight burst out in that place. That, okay, now they confide, the local government chairman, whatever, confide in you, okay, to also give you that respect. Bring food to your palace. He thought of you to share it amicably. How we, okay, now be say, how will I say, now be say, now one food boss of Vanet, now they take carry food, come make a local government. What are we trying to say? We know that the government is bad, but not to this extent. This is just another tactics of trying to spoil Obaseki's name. But whosoever you have kept food in your house, if you have stored food excessively in your house, I'm interested in this very kind of issue. I've wanted to pray for Obaseki when it was almost about being evicted from Osadebe Avenue. I think I should be one of the first person that God revealed it to. Then I came here, I prayed. A lot of ewu unleashed on me in YouTube because their plans God are revealing. But whosoever that have stocked food in his house, where that food supposed to get to, you not let him go. No way now, who is serving in Jesus. As me job be, I don't feel upon anybody. I know the government is bad, we all know that. But not to this extent. That you make government will package 1 carton of Indomie for 10 streets. No, this human being handwork, not be Obaseki. And a lot of us right now, we became too archaic. Any small thing we put on for government. You would have blamed the people that brought it. Where will not keep the rest? Not to begin to tell ourselves the fact. It cannot happen. Or, that's why I thought maybe tomorrow we'll still be talking about leadership theory. Because these people, they are wicked. They are wicked. Then, this is another video I saw on social media today. I have one of these foreign land. They gave they went to the bank and they were giving money. Maybe this should be in Italy, I don't know. It should be in Italy, but I'm trying to view background here. I don't want me to show anything will not be for my platform. No, that house be like Nigeria house. This thing be like what them forge. This one not. Are you sure this one is not forged? But that, the way they see that area, that one be like Nigeria building. But let me show it to you. Let me show you to what the guy said.
Buhari, where you know if you give your citizen ordinary 30,000 naira, maybe for the same for the poster. Never our country with this, so you see what you get for inside poster, make go punish on. And I don't craze Nigerian government will go kill on Buhari from president to councillor. Ogungo Kiana, anything when I gather for in the morning for my life, and I go use in the night, and I go use crime, go sell on throw in Jesus' name. When I remember Abiola, when I remember Babangida, and I see we know, you see, I see money they give us more than 300,000 Nigerian money, now they sure give us now. No be our country. Ogungo Kiana, you say what come Europe, come deport us. Well, if you come, I go there, we go first kill Nigerian president for Europe. Ogungo kill, you see, more than 300,000 naira. We all see the alert this morning. We no work, we no carry anything. Same we use at the shop because of coronavirus. And I see now money with this. May God punish Nigerian presidents. Go keep worry. Go kill now. We make people call the crime.
Now, let me end this one there. We are going to take it seriously. We are still talking about leadership. They said the leader live by example. The reason why I said that, under normal condition, let's be very frank and sincere to ourselves. We all know that there is no way a state government can be able to feed the whole state, particularly when it is being done in a hurry. At which we have a functioning system. For example, each local government can best say how many people they have in their local government. I don't know if I can show us something here that's called a parameter. It's called house contract. There's a body that take care of that. Let's assume now already or local government. House where you did. How many people will did that house? Person will put contract for that house. We get the house. We'll go write that house contract for you. That's how they count people. Even though you never get paper. Through that very one, they know that you're already there. So if they are doing anything tomorrow, now that one they'll take on. Okay, now how Europe they know the exact number of people who did their country. Up to now, we are still saying, since for the past 15 years, Nigeria is almost 200 and something thousand. Nigeria is almost 200 and something thousand. The world population I read that day now is 205 million people. It's no more 200 million. 205 now they put. Maybe it is the figure Nigeria gave to them. Maybe you and I right now might not be even be included as a Nigerian citizen. Or they may be counting it through the passport they have issues. But there are a lot of Ghanaians today who have our passport. They use and do another thing. Senegal forget them. Now so Nigerians see they do and way back. They figure out that country passport. See and do level to win. That one a normal thing for Africa. Because they have no database. Now, the reason why I said that there are a lot of people that this thing was not supposed to be made for. They would have a personal discipline. Because most of our leaders, from our traditional ruling council up to political leaders, most of them, they are not responsible. That is why even the food that they are not supposed to collect, they will still collect it. One, because they can assess the person who brought the food. Why the common man who doesn't even know what is called APC and PDP does not get to them. Do you know the politicians today, not this in favor? Because they share them by word. Now, who does not come to APC meeting? How they want? They don't go give them for because these people they are wicked. We're not quite alright. But if they have stayed back, the government have given them the orientation. We are not. If you know you have more than 100,000 in your account, be truthful to yourself. Look at the kind of people you are going to give the food to. It was not supposed to be for everybody. It was. If I were supposed to be in Nigeria, maybe they gave to me due to my kind of person. I have to go and share it to other people. I will buy from market with my money. By so doing, now you take the blessing of God. But all the world leaders, all these so-called politicians, go and look, make them console. All of them. If it is too small, they will be having 5 bags of foreign rice in their house. They stuck on my head. But now these same people, now go see me governor. Governor give me money. So how will it get to the poor masses? There's no way can get to the poor masses. If you watch it, this is not how God have made the continent of Africa to be. The continent of Africa, like what I put there, was a question. Is the continent of Africa made poor? The answer is no. Africa is poor because it is poorly governed. Could you know today, in where most of us that is in Europe, there is different kind of Red Crosses in your cities. You can go and put in a time, maybe you still go collect all this milk, atu and the rest, and all those they are rice. Where they take the do paella and the rest, you know. Could you know not be everybody they go there? It is not everybody that goes there. There are citizens that can afford it, they can never go. Do you know what they only write? They only write on that food. Then go write say people will get discapacidad. People will not they where economic situation affect that is not favorable. If now 2020, they also put 2020. So if you get 4-story building for house, you have 6,000 euro in your account. Then you go to collect that kind of food. And when the main people who really need that go come, they don't see and collect. Now God will punish you. Because the name that is being written there, you do not fall in that category. Until we Nigerians, Edo, and everybody in Nigeria have that kind of mindset. And right now, if this food, the way food enter Benin, Obaseki, he tried. See luxury, trailer of food. How we say all the political wolves They give time to live, allow them share it to the vulnerable people, the less privileged one, of grade 100. Complain for not day to day. Now, like most of these men right now that were in the district, some of them figure like 10 children for abroad. Of which if you are another state man in the street, no, it's supposed to collect them. Go. They know the people that need it in their town, in their street. They know. When I was around, when I was in Ogida, if you tell me the most poor house for our street, from here, I feel describe them for you as at that time. Because we they see them. We they see them. So they are not hard to know. But the so-called leaders who were in charge of sharing the food were wicked. They keep it for themselves. Some of them pack, go give their girlfriend, made their side chick in-law. Imagine somebody that is not in a go. Somebody from Oredo, you can't go back and go food, go give them. Both of them, now God, now go punish you of them. Until we all stand up to reason and know ourselves that if Edo and Nigeria at large must be great, you and I, we need to first of all change our mindset. The greed about food and the greed about money, let us forget about it. If the old rich men for Benin really want to stand up and say they want to feed the poor people, if I have a lack, they can afford giving bag of rice to all these things. Why is all this thing left for the government? We have so many rich people in Benin. We have so many big men, big boys who have really made money from this same politics. We have them. But where are they today? Where are they? Have you ever heard that now that one big man or maybe person will just, you don't see you. Nobody jealousy you, even money where you get. Peace of mind when me get past your own. I'm only just saying it to teach on how our society is supposed to be if we must have a better society. So this system of glutomania now made this food not can reach the make people hand where it's supposed to go. Imagine, let's give it to the vulnerable. You that have, you just bought a car newly. You did wedding of about 5 million last month here. How does you worth collecting food from the government? The food is even cost. There are people it's made for. It's not like government want to show up. Government cannot be doing it. This is literally made for the less privileged ones. Even it's not even made for my family. My family in Nigeria does not fall in the less privileged ones. Okay, how much food are they going to give to them? Will it be up to 10,000 naira? About 30 euros? That I will just go to Rihanna, okay, me go now, I need to wire there. It's not made for a Benigo family. There are families this is made for. It's not made for Ogego family or Baseki food. It's not made for Iyase of Udo. No, Iyase of Udo has money. Ogego has money. But there are people in that community whose lives have been trampled upon like a flower that is made for. You watch and today now, you know why some people know the better for Europe? Even what they can afford, they will still go to Catholic church and go and cure. They can afford it. They can afford it. They are multi-millionaires because they want always when the real people, when you come from Libya, go now they look for food, you gonna go back and forth. They were doing it that they were shipping Spanish for people were shipping it home. They were shipping it home. Go and see all of them today. And they take carry Spanish food. Go ask, go say. Tell people like when they carry government food for here, go and go say. Their life not the better. Because you are cost. And you are under a cost. The food is not made for you. Let me give you the testimony. There was a time in my church. My church solicited for all this, we call it aliment to hear all this milk, sardine and the rest, If they want share and they come out. My friend tell me, say, are you there? No, say, I'm not the verse. My God, me will carry BM 525 complete years full ocean. V6 engine. I can't go they carry milk where I feel purchase €5. My dear, if I cannot be cursing myself. It was not for me. I was able to let I can't say, okay, Siam, can't take disfavorably. I do not belong to this very label. I did not belong to this. There are people that cannot really afford it. We had them in the church. Some of them were not having husband. Some of them, their husband were deported. Some of them, they knew come. Let those people get it. I can afford is just €5 from the supermarket. It's not every free things that you accept. Just the way, do you know why some people today, they're not better? They go collect money from people where they camp in the name of they want to go do protests. There are people that does not want donating money from you. At the time you collect such money, you've cost yourself. This is what the people are doing today. Obaseki food is not made for everybody. It's not made for everybody. The federal government have just said, maybe money entered your account. You are having 10 billion and 10 euros, 10,000 still enter your account. There is no problem. Not you dragging queuing for food. Imagine person whenever he sees the man lanky, the woman lanky, the children lanky. They cannot even near there. They have not been, they don't even know what they call word. There are people that don't know what word. They don't know the meaning of word. How are they going to get to the place they are charging food for? I don't think any of my mother, we have hundreds of members at home. He did not get to any of them. He did not get to any of them. This very food did not get to any of them. Because most of them, they doesn't belong to any word of APC or whatever. They are on their own. If election comes, their mind carry, they'll go vote. So who was not the people they give the food to? They share within themselves. That's why you could see today. Let me show you the one of Lagos State. Let me show you what happened in Lagos State. The reason why we were insulting the pastors or trying to correct them, why would they go and give money to federal government account? And are their members right now, all the Deeper Life, Oyedipo Church, now they suffer now. But their general overseer go give money to federal government. You can see that there is no truth in the world. This is just wickedness to the highest level. And please, if your pastor has treated you back, get in your church. If you never go to church, now your life will better pass. Now that time you can't know how to serve the real. I'm telling you today. If you are not going to church, I'm not saying you don't serve God. There's a difference between when you are going to church and when you are serving God. Now your life will better pass. Because these people, they have no any single plans for you guys. This is what Lagos government say. Lagos governor relief package on the physical challenge in Badagry were pitiable to hell with APC-led government. Listen and be blessed. A physical challenge person. And just hold on, hold on. A physical challenge person, see him. What the governor of Lagos State give him? Disabled the people wait suppose even carry trailer load go put for their house. What the Lagos State give him? Lockdown wey they do. Physical challenge person, that disabled person. He said what they brought for us will not be even for one person. You see, that's the reason why I said UN, they have a query to answer from me. Lagos State government, Sanwo-Olu, this is what he did. A physical challenge individual. Somebody that is in a state of gadaga. This is what the government personally, individually has sent to this person. Can me as an individual, Comrade Igbinibu Newton, the arbitrage of activism, which I be so wicked, even from my own highest money, I go give this one to person. How much more Nigeria money? I don't know all those juju wanna they bring command for social media. Those what for man? Why more be na? Nana reach now to swear juju. Why you swear? Eri wa be con. Wait people where they swear that time. Have a coachable. When I don't die, you can see how people will be so wicked. A physical challenge person. Categorically, these are the people that want it. They warrant it. Who this is made for? You know, they still on lockdown matter. Imagine now a woman came to the market just to come and do her normal trade. The so-called AWU police, look at how they throw away their things in the market. Watch you. Let us take it from this very perspective. Look at it. Just watch you. See that malu, you don't see him. What the tomatoes have to do with coronavirus? This is just the attitude. This is the attitude. Tell me which Oyibo man will do this kind of thing. This is the country that you are insulting Biafrans because of this very country. That where your mother will go to market and they will throw away their things. Now, this thing is like this very, this Chinese. Look at it, how they describe we Africans. They put a gorilla picture and be cheap like a picture. They can't put a journal. Just watch out. Just watch out to see him. You see him? Then they use us, then they compare gorilla. You see him? So you see him now? This is what Chinese are doing. These Chinese. You don't see him? They see they call us lion. No name where they know they call us. All bad name in the book is what they are calling Africa. But the reason why African leader became mumu, I don't understand. We have everything. Now, let me show you one face mask. I saw it on Facebook that will blow your mind. That if we are being given the chance to take care of ourselves, the Spanish, they'll come carry plates for Abuja. They beg for money. They do salam alaikum. I bet you. If our leaders, they are really ready. Look at the face, a local made face mask. This one is not contaminated with coronavirus. Yeah. This is African made now. I saw it on YouTube. On Facebook, sorry. On social media. You can see to it. So, what are you talking about? You even get glass. You even get this plastic, this thing. That if you even use dry bag, for example, breeze not going to tell you, what are we talking about? We should begin to make use. We are like this today because our leaders, na mumu. It's not good. Make you see the mumu follow them. It's not good. It will be an error that this social media era, we see allow them to keep on using us as if we are their scapegoat. This is not going to be acceptable. It's not going to be acceptable. So we have to try as much as possible. Look at how they came to come and remove a coronavirus patient. NCDC removing a Coro case from his house to isolation center. Now isolation center they're supposed to carry and go. But we have seen a lot of isolation centers people they're supposed to be under ventilator. I don't understand. This coronavirus, I believe I will say fly, they go Nigeria, and I forgot Nigeria this period. And this period was supposed to even be the time I proposed I'm going to be in Nigeria. We would have just go there and see by ourselves. Then they do that video for their head. Look at it. This is a coronavirus patient. See how they take carry on. Oyibo carry you like this. This is a country. See how? They want to go use one and take add Nollywood. Now Nollywood. See how? These are their films. Their film these days not the real again at all. Not the sell for market. They'll just they do and you just they knock for their head. See how? The coronavirus all the time wear shirt, but he was able to wear mask. So they are acting all these things so that money where European Union give them, make the money for the lab they put say really coronavirus in Nigeria. So the most doomed people right now where we don't see as far as this what is concerned, I have no apology for it. Now people will give Nigeria money. That's the most useless people for the now I've seen. You know I've said it before. I want them to come and arrest me. But one thing they will do, they will give me 1 minute to express what is in my mind. Then this is another one again. Own the state government parade 25 civil servant over alleged fraud. Just listen, I'm going to be showing you a part of it.
In the first category, we
This is Nigeria.
Senior Special Assistant to Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu on special duty doing
Just listen.
Odebowale while parading the civil servants allegedly caught for various offences, stealing millions of naira, employment racketeering, and adding fictitious names in the payroll of the state government, said that they will soon be prosecuted. He explained that one of the civil servants employed his wife, placed her on grade level 14, and has been collecting salary without working. A staff of the Universal Basic Education Board was arrested for allegedly stealing the sum of 104 million naira allocated for capital projects.
You understand?
In the first category, we have those who specialize in padding the staff list with a view to defrauding the government, and they've been doing this successfully for quite some time. It was learned that recent reforms carried out by the head of service of Ondo State, Mr. Alex Aragbaye, exposed the fraudulent acts of the suspects. From Akure, the Ondo State capital, Jonah Omowa reporting.
Now, why did I show us this Nigerian situation for you? So anything can happen there because they don't have a functioning law. How someone went to go and put her wife's name, he perhaps is not working in the place, he said he's working in the place, just to be siphoning government money. And thank God today that one have been apprehended. Then security agency have killed 18 during lockdown. Coronavirus never killed. Security agency have killed 18. That's what Nigerian government have told their people to be doing. Because this is how they are betraying, and this is what they are betraying to do. This is how they are betraying, and this is what they are betraying to do. So God Almighty is going to help us all. So another one I'm going to be showing to us right now, according to the report allegedly, that somewhere in Asofia in Anambra State, this is why Obiano the traitor is forcing our people to stay home, so the people won't know the happening in the land. They say total lockdown. What about these people working and installing 5G network now? Does it mean that coronavirus does not affect them? Why are they installing this now when people are home? So these are the things. Please just hold on. Good evening, I'm on live broadcast. I'm on live broadcast, yeah. Okay, bye. Yeah, okay, yeah. So I'm going to be showing us the video right now of the 5G cable. Look at it. The 5G cable somewhere in Anambra.
5G network. Yeah, we had radio no one. And the Akita, the which are sent them well. A well work alone is software. Because even the Kuna, I told you, yeah, had no but I. Because Okwamaka under Madik Merenjiku. I say, man, Gwangwa, a man allowed the she. Do to but I can make because Kaiputan in Igwe, Kalu all you were with the youth. Because they can acquire.
So that is that. So there's another thing again I'm going to be letting us know. I would have put that as a breaking news, but I choose to handle the whole topic together. Enough kudos to Governor Wike of Rivers State. That man is really dealing with the federal government massively. Because I want to be explaining what he said to us. The reason why he becomes so rude to the federal government of Nigeria is as a result of he know what's in Aso Rock per se. Because they know say if they talk to Ram, he's going to bring out their nyash. That's why they leave him. He was in the press conference today. He talked about a lot and a lot of things. Let me see if I can be able to get it in my Facebook. I share it so that I read the news to us. Governor Wike, that man is one of the best governors right now in Nigeria who is standing for his people openly in the media. He said if they want to carry fight, come meet him. Then go fight the fight together. That's what Governor Wike He bet with the federal government of Nigeria. Do you know why they not fit talk to them? Because he know their tricks. He know what is happening in Nigeria. So the governor, the rest of that states is they after their second term, and they belong to the same group together. Be that Governor Wike did not believe in what they believe in, that's why he's talking. He only talking to the federal government anyhow as he likes. So he's not compromising his faith at all. He have designed his heart that waiting won't happen, make it happen. That's why he's doing what he's doing. So let me see if I can be able to get it. If I cannot get it, then I will just explain it while we forget about it. Then this one, this news came out yesterday that locked down police officer in Delta State shot woman during hunger protest. Now, while locking, there's nothing bad about if you lock these people inside the house, but make the necessary provisions. If they tell you they are hungry, before a grown woman like this, for example, come out that is hungry, have they one confessed to you before? Or I've never seen anybody protesting in the whole Nigeria hunger strike. No. You have deprived these people from their day-to-day, how they feed their family, how they eat food. But you make provision for them. If you tell your son right now, my son, stop doing job. I don't want you to begin to do job again. Not they do the book, they follow anybody. Not they go farm work. Look at the kind of work I want you to do. Then you must be ready. When that son asks you for money, you will be ready to give him or her money. Because you have retreated your son from doing what he used to do as a normal thing he used to, how to earn a living. But right now, the federal government is saying, stay down home. But any person who is shame, let them cry, come out like this. The government will make provision for them. That's what leader is all about. So it's not right now Nigeria is trying to learn how to lead. It's not they are learning how to lead. The local government chairman, they are learning how to lead. The state government they are learning how to lead. The federal government, they are learning how to lead. The legislator, they are learning how to lead. The senate, they are learning how to lead. The policemen, they are learning how to lead. But the people that have been saving lives in that country right from day one have been the doctors. They work. Even when the politician is sick, they will be the one to also, treat them. Hello, good evening. I'm very fine. Please, I'm a live broadcast. Okay, do you want to contribute, sir? Okay. You are very free. You are very free. The floor is yours.
Beautiful.
You can talk, sir.
I see that you have a very brilliant topic discussing about.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
But let me tell you that it will be good if you spend some time educating our youth.
Yeah.
We as Nigerians, we already know the criminals we always have there at the top as our leaders.
Yeah.
It is true that these people are not being voted. Okay, let me cut out the military time. The military themselves, they were criminals, they were all thieves.
Yes.
So they didn't do nothing. Now we started the civil,
democracy. Yeah.
And then the criminality continues.
Yeah.
Okay, now, these people, as me and you know, they are not being voted.
Yes.
They bulldoze their way to office.
Yes.
By the guns. You
Yes.
know that. Okay. And so, as they are there, they do whatever they like. They steal. Nothing else. They go there to steal.
Yes.
So, but right now, it is on us to educate ourselves as youth on
Yes.
the ground.
Yes.
We have to cast out the fear.
Yeah.
Because they are using fear factor.
Yeah.
To deal with us as citizens.
Yes.
So, but if the youth, let me tell you something, my brother. Do you know that when the Niger Delta militants, they were agitating,
Yeah.
that energy they were using to agitate and blow up pipelines and all that, they should have used it to vent their anger on the leaders, the corrupt leaders.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, the problem we have as youth, as Nigerians,
is that we are too self-centered. Everybody is fighting for himself.
Yeah.
Nobody has the mind to say, okay, let's fight it together. Look at the Biafrans today. Do you know that if the Biafrans from the onset, they have opened up and said, okay, Yoruba, you, the other one, let's fight this thing together, the fight would have been over, or a long time.
Yeah.
So those bastards, those little rats there that are holding Nigerians to ransom would have been bussed to the corner.
Yeah.
And then would have got our country, the country we want, and things will move on.
Yeah.
But these guys were fighting their fight alone.
Yeah.
Which of course happened.
Yeah.
And that is why the leaders are happy. They do divide and rule.
Yeah.
What we call divide and rule. And they are happy about it. So it is important that we Nigerians be educated.
Yeah.
We don't have to know what we are doing. We should tell ourselves what's going on, how these people are dealing with us.
Yeah.
And so we beat that fear away from us.
Yeah.
So, so I tell you, on this, the diasporans has a lot to do
Yeah.
to educate these people on the ground, because the people on the ground has been so beaten and battered, and they cannot think properly.
Yeah.
That is just the truth.
Yeah.
We all know that the leaders are bad. We know the problem, what the problem is. So we have to educate ourselves to come together and do the pushing and, together, and push these guys out of that place. So we can do it.
Yeah, definitely.
We can do it. Yeah, we can do it. What we need is to educate ourselves. That's what's going on, man.
Yeah.
That's what I think we should do.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. So let me quickly say this before you hang up the phone.
Go ahead.
It's a thing we have been doing. Maybe this is your first time of tuning into our broker. Because what I do most of the time, if I do the kind of program people are doing, you will see that thousands will be watching. The reason why I get less viewers because nobody wants to learn. I'm mobile finished from Genesis to Revelation. I finish up the Bible because there are areas of the Bible that I read about hygiene and society, sowing and reaping and all of other.
Let me tell you this. You are one of the few Benin guys that is very, very intelligent among these people talking on the cyberspace.
Yeah.
You are a very brilliant guy.
Thank you,
I've
sir.
always been watching, sometimes I watch your program. So don't just forget about the other people.
Yeah.
You cannot get, you can't get viewer yet because most of the people we have around are not intelligent enough to know exactly what our problem is.
Yeah, that's our main problem right now. That's why at times we create topics. I've created several organizations of the mind and all that. Because we have tried to give awareness about corruption where we are right now. It's not where we are supposed to be.
Well, that's going on. I mean, I'll be happy to contribute from time to time because
thank you very much, sir.
Intelligent and you are putting the awareness there. Look at what the Chinese are doing to the Africans, and nobody's talking about it.
Nobody cares about it. Have you ever one day see, sir, any APC chieftains who come? There's no light in Nigeria or there's no light in Benin. Nobody talks about that. They are always after their own.
It does not concern them.
It not concern them.
If not this other guy at the House of Assembly, this other Yoruba, the speaker. I was the only guy that had the gall to call these Chinese idiots.
Okay.
Question them over. So even if you see the way they were responding to that guy the other day, I just look at it and say, whoa.
Nigeria is finished. Nigeria don't have a leader. What we have is Lucas.
Nigeria or every other
African country now, because at the time Nigeria is okay, every other country, African country will be okay. So that's why Nigeria is the one even holding the development for other African countries today now. Don't you see that EU have not given? We haven't heard that they give money to Tanzania or they give money to Kenya. Why is it that Nigeria that doesn't even have coronavirus, they gave them 50 million the other day? Why would the EU do such a thing?
It's supposed to be the powerhouse. Nigeria is supposed to be the powerhouse, but we are just dragging because we have idiots.
Very.
You imagine Buhari that is almost already out of oxygen.
Mm.
They are still pushing there. He cannot reason. He's brain dead.
He's brain dead now. He's brain dead.
So when I watch this thing, I feel bad. So let me encourage you, my brother. Keep it up. You are good. You are brilliant. You are intelligent.
Thank you very much, sir.
Putting the awareness there, So
thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, now take care. Ciao, bye. So God bless that caller. I didn't know I did not share this very news today, and I saw it in several places. This Wiki, what he did today, he made something, he made mention of the federal government of Nigeria want to work with him. They should call him. So this is one of the best rugged governors you can talk about right now, who is ready to split his blood for his people. He said coronavirus not there in place. That's what he said. So that is to say, the remaining other governors, they are active films along with the federal government because of the appointment or the blood they drank, the water they don't drink. That's why you are saying it's not happening. May Fulani herdsmen go kill for this thing. It was not the same wicked that said that it's going to. There's enough land in the Savesa forest that if they need water, what you can only do for federal government of Nigeria is to connect water for them. Example of a good leader is Wike. Example of a good leader is Governor Wike of Rivers. No more. Go and check the comment by yourself. You go see him. That's why I'm just nodding down my head here to see if I can come across it again. I did not, because the thing full social media. Even Sarah reporter carry on. Every other person carry on. I be trying to enter punch just now. They are this thing just this slow. Let me also see if I can get it from Sarah reporter. Everybody carry on because the thing is very, very amazing. These are the kind of people that we want. Who will tell? He said, may federal government carry fight come. Say he's ready. That's what he told them. He said, may them carry fight come because he know their tricks. He know what they are gambling. May them through carry fight go. You have seen Rocha Sokorocha have said several times. If you not allow me to talk within their sorrow, so all of them they know what they are doing. That's why if you are very stubborn, let me flip this call. Hello, Chairman. God bless you. You want to contribute? Okay, just okay, you can speak, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
My lovely people, this is the right time for we all to come together.
I bet you load one way you take the watch. The voice they come out. You want to take the watch, you load.
I know the watch again.
Okay. Load your devices for that. Something they come out that noise for that. And you can speak now.
Okay, this is the right time for we all to unite together and fight this evil government. But I thank God that this generation will liberate Africa, not only Nigeria issue. We will liberate Africa, and our people from Oduduwa will celebrate, and our people from Biafra land will also celebrate.
Yeah.
The issue about my Edo people concerning this our brother, I love him so much before, but now I lose trust on him. Somebody like Eranomiro. Our Edo people should stop listening to that guy because that guy is misleading our people. Eranomiro is the person who told our people that this guy is a terrorist. And what did they call him? Tony Kabaka is a terrorist. Even when Tony Kabaka came to Italy here, Ramiro issue, Tony Kabaka was involved in some kind of serious issue in Italy here. But now Ramiro is supporting Tony Kabaka. I don't know why some of our people need to understand something, that we need to listen to people like you. Not political campaign managers.
Yeah.
Who come to campaign for politics.
Yeah.
If Edo people will listen to you, I'm not from Edo State, I'm from Delta State, and I believe on Biafra. But I listen to your program. I see sense. I always like to learn. I don't like to listen to people. I like to learn, to pick points.
Yeah.
But I see points in your program.
Thank you very much.
If Edo people will listen to you, Edo will be liberated from this kind of poverty and suffering. But if they continue to listen to somebody like Eranomiro, Edo, I don't know, Edo is going nowhere. Because we are Elanio supposed to stand for the people and speak for the people and fight for the people. Not to be against one governor and campaigning for the other governor.
Yeah.
We are not, if we begin to campaign for these people, which means we are encouraging them more.
Yeah,
to
yeah.
reach our moment.
Now. Very, very.
We are not here to encourage them. We are here to fight them, to make sure that evil act will break it and we will liberate our people from poverty and all this kind of hardship.
Yeah.
God bless you, sir, for your good work.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You are welcome.
And I believe that I will use this opportunity to talk to my brother again. Maybe he will be listening to your program. I don't know. Wounded civilian. Let wounded civilian correct his mistake and come back and unite with people, with his brothers, and fight this cabals. Because somebody like wounded civilian, I don't know where that man belongs. I don't know. Wounded civilian is a confused man now. I don't know the exactly position. If you ask me now, who wounded civilian is supporting, I don't know.
Even let me quickly say this here, in case if any of his followers is here, if any of his followers, Chairman, just hold on. There's one thing I see about that guy. He has knowledge, but he's misusing his knowledge. When we came back, we take it back. This guy insulted Sowore. Even one of our members then, I'm not going to be mentioning the name, wanted to go and combat with wounded civilian in social media. I told that guy, no, leave wounded civilian alone. He's on his own, you know. Now, you cannot support Take It Back. You cannot support Brafa. And all this is what the meaning of or the clear definition of those is just a better Nigeria. So then what are you there for? Okay, now, if person don't even need this thing, see the one where you need. Create them, they work towards them, they go. Please, if you are not wounded civilian, you should pass this thing to him. I never want to mention his name on my show because he have matched a lot. You have said a lot of things that is not support, particularly the struggle for liberation. Any person that try to cause obstruction for struggle for liberation, me myself, I already insult them. And that's why today I'm probably saying it, I don't have friends. Any person, if Ododowa come out today, say, I must say Ododowa. You know, so far we have life. Irrespective. Yes. If Edo State want to become a nation of his own tomorrow, I will be the first person go carry on for her. Whosoever that is ready. We need a home that we must have to call our own. We cannot go and settle in Niger. Niger is not our place. Algeria is not our place. We need a home, please. At least let every one of us understand. You don't like this one. Take it back. You don't like him. Ododowa. You don't like him. Unad. You don't like him. You now bring the one you are going to do out. I'm not getting it clear the way a lot of people are behaving. Okay, Chairman, make it be. Maybe later. Thanks very much for your contribution. That's that. So we are still talking about the main thing of all these things we are doing right now. We are still talking about leadership. We are still talking about leadership. Look at what they share in the North. Allegedly, what was written, what came out in social media. Look at what was shared in the North. And let me show you what they share in the South.
Sorry to cut you short.
Yeah.
See this issue of sharing food. Huh?
Yeah.
All this relief material that are sharing in that country called Nigeria. It's supposed to teach our people a big lesson.
Yeah.
Our people supposed to learn from this issue of sharing food. Like not now that sharing some people receive 20,000 with bag of rice.
Yeah. Look at it here. You are very correct. God bless you. Me and your students with the talk. See here. Even the person, he never go even pay now. The Lord will carry food will carry.
Have nothing for federal. This one supposed to show our people that this country have already been divided.
Yes.
They not believe that yes, they are the owner of Nigeria.
Yes.
We or the other people, the Southern are supposed to also okay. Now
look at what they share in the South. Look at what they share in the South.
Let's go home and form our own country because Bible says write out your vision and roll with your vision. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. Habakkuk 2 verse 2. That's what we have been doing, Chairman. A man without vision is a poor man. A man with vision is a great man.
He's a not go nowhere man. A man will not get vision.
You can't be living life without vision, which means you are nobody. But when you have vision, you will be great tomorrow.
The number to call is +34 631 056 284. +34 631 056 284. So thank you very much, brother.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
So
sir.
God bless you. Have a nice day.
More
Ciao.
grace,
Bye. Yeah.
Grace,
Bye. Yeah. So for any of us that have anything to say, look at the food that was shared in the south. Like the one I also showed to us before, that man with disability, we also see it. Let me show you the one that was shared in the north. But I see no reason why today, why any Edo man should criticize the splitting of Nigeria. If I thought they are not doing it well, look for their member and call them, please. Why not let also apply this very method? There are different ways to kill the rat. There are different ways to eat the yam. Either it's going to be boiled, or it's going to be fried, or utoned. So there are different ways. So there are different ways for you to get your freedom. If you watch it today right now, the only person in social media, an activist, who use the word of God, now only me, for the whole world. It have never happened. Now record now said down so. It is a record. Was I having the plan originally? No. But I begin to see myself does it. Badly that I did Bible, even do explain them and why, you know. So it has been like that. So you can even do more than what I'm doing right now, if you want to. Hello. Good evening, my friend. What contribute here? Okay.
But the side where I contribute now, the side of the way they take the share things. Me know you understand.
Okay, talk now.
But before I go to that place, before I go to that one, but I want to get one brother we call just now. We to say in and we now so the Tony Kabaka na me way for the saw Tony Kabaka na he call the support Tony Kabaka. I want correct one thing for that one. A part where they talk to us so this brother when they talk to us so I remember because I follow the right time. Right people say now this paper that make me no PFN. But I know the time where all of them they gather they fight for this they whether they go embassy they do everything. I believe say when Tony Kabaka they do something, I believe say they go against and say Tony Kabaka what did they do so not good. But I know they can't insult what they insult now. I know they can't insult. When they insult now because if they talk say Tony Kabaka the way they do for those things, in no good make change. I know they can't insult now. They say people plus you brother Aniti. Do you understand? Now, everything does say something they call say because he must go back Tony Kabaka if he not come out.
Madam, sorry, not to go detail. Just talk about the food aspect.
No, I'm saying that you're correct because if they do good, you talk if you
Madam, everybody has right to.
He don't check now. They don't check today.
Everybody have right to.
But for the sharing of team, where they share. If they want share, so they say that they give space. But if they want share the thing, they'll gather, they gather or they share for them. I don't understand the kind of share where they share. When I say they maintain social differences, but the kind of share where they share, they'll choke out to there. People they rush. When I say they share something, not be the one. If they want, at least if they want share something, if now each local government don't go distribute the food for there, they go call all those elders, at least one elder, if not the mayor for each community, they go call they carry their things. Not be the one where they go gather people, though they share things to them, all of them go to talk, they complain, they argue together for them. And all those guys speak everything when they tell me that they run for now, they throw away to each other. That one a sharing of tea. See market where they go now. They say maybe they see the market where they talk say they go now because of so now they say they go primary school. I mean understand that kind of one. They say they go primary school, but see the primary school where they go say bless and they call was pass. Me not condone the kinds of social where they say they create for them. All of them they complain because the place is too tight. Because we don't know at this one love at this but I spread that market so for those days we don't know as that one the kind time where the one one last because that place you know if they will go back to the market maybe at least the only people where they sell food stuff maybe they go back to market and listen at the next space now they will really create that space where we say
the government they fumigate the area they spray them with a chemical they fumigate and that's why relocated them. It did not relocate them for punishment. Whatever thing that's happening right now, everybody need to adjust. And we need to do the work called. Even the market normally see that. The thing is just that God is going to save every Nigerian, every innocent Nigerian. Because even the way they are escalating the thing, I will say read they say now if you need people now they take care of all of them for don't get them. So the thing game. Only the governor right now that really spoken out from the south or whatever, or the southwest, now be Wike. So we have given a lot of accolade to Wike today. Thank you very much, man. God bless you for your contribution. So that's that. So the reason why that's why there are a lot of groups you don't need to belong to. The very day you start yoking with them, you can no longer speak the truth. That's why today, by the grace of God, I remain one man squad. If I see you on my teaching, I must mark you part. That's for me. At the time I became your friend, then if you are misbehaving, I cannot no longer talk to you. Like that animal right now, you know. So he remain an animal, and a lot of people are saying it. No matter how you try to carry sugarcoat, we all know you cannot become an activist, you become a witch and a dead politician automatically. Is there no longer any other person in APC that will start procrastinating who share many rights, who not share many? He know the share rights. Are you not a leader? Me today, being as a leader, I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can from here. I remain myself right from Take It Back. We are seeing the Take It Back today. Have you ever wanted to see my program change? Have I not explained to you the reason why I support Obaseki? Are you not seeing me hitting the state at times? So now you the lead people now. So you better be doing it. On the last day, we'll get to give account of our still worship, you know. So that's that. For any of us that want to call, you are very free to call. So Wike today, what that man did, he make me come love and well. Because why? He know what is happening in Nigeria. He said if federal government want carry war come, make them carry war come it. And there's nothing they can do the man. So if you are a governor, you can also be a governor and be a coward. You can be a governor and be a coward at the same time. So you can be a local government chairman and be a coward at the same time. The only local government chairman today I know right now who gave 14 days ultimatum to Fulani herdsmen to leave Oriomo is a Honorable Sylvester Okoro. The only person who value life just the way a Wike value it. He gave Fulani herdsmen in the community. He called all Oriomo chieftains. I don't know if I can get the video now because a lot of video every day I have to start deleting. I'm going for 120 megabyte right now. Gigabyte. That now I can go buy. So because before you know the thing don't fool, people are sending messages, even the one they are not supposed to send. Me myself, I doesn't believe in blocking people. You can say whatever thing you want to send. If I don't want to see it, I delete it. Even in our platform today, I haven't started bullying anybody who say why you bring this one here. Now your own opinion. So that as you still know rich, you know. So that's what is happening. So let me show you this very one. We are still talking about leadership. We have do part 1. We are in the part 2. If you go to part Z. But if God give me a message tomorrow, like what our beloved brother that called, we have been doing teaching here. We have been creating awareness, structural awareness, physical awareness, and otherwise. So, and moral awareness. Because most Benin people, they lack moral awareness. That's why you could start fighting somebody that's fighting for freedom. When this very man that we're talking about just now, when he was doing the right thing, everybody all way around you. Now you see people are now no longer. At the time I begin to lose all my fans right now, they are not seeing people that used to tell me you are doing well. They are not writing, this guy, this. Then I should be able to know that I'm out of the point. You are totally out of the point. No matter the people you are using to begin to kind of do things for you, to the extent your family brought you out, let me not just go there. A man that could demand a pot from his mother, that one not a woman, near the talk about maybe down allegation what we have a yet. I don't want to dwell on that. But all the pot in it, he can do it because he's a bully. He is a bully. He can do it. So let us watch this. We are in leadership 2.
It has been a tale of losses for residents and business owners as the blackout in the area continued to take its toll on residents. Some residents said they assisted by making several financial contributions to repair the transformer serving the area before it finally packed up. They said although they are owing BEDC, they are appealing that electricity be restored to the area to revive socio-economic activities. The electricity situation has subjected businesses in the area to now rely on generating sets and other avenues to meet up the demands of customers.
This is the 5th month again. We are in the darkness. Now look what they use for light. That's my small radio. Now the thing sleep. No light. And I'm paying 24,000.
You know they see light, they say. We just manage the business based on saying now waiting we take off our children. So the real issue concerning the light, he don't let us know.
All these things where they happen now, they say make we sit down for us. Me never see telling me, I tell look, I don't see light.
You
tell
see, huh?
What they happen for town now. Now they say, now they hear everything.
Okay.
Small breakdown. Then we went ahead and repaired it ourselves. After we went and repaired it, almost 3 weeks again, the transformer breakdown again. We went ahead and gathered ourselves again and let us see what we can do. We went ahead and repaired the transformer again. After 3 days, the transformer breakdown. So we now call the person and BDC. They are telling us that we should go and purchase our transformer by ourselves. And we have been paying these. And the man that was repairing it said he has no light again. That we should ask for a new transformer. But the problem is that anytime we demand for light, they will say we are owing. Good. We are owing, we are not saying we are not owing. We must have light to do business, to pay your bill.
When contacted for comments, the PRO, Benin Electricity Distribution Company, Mrs. Gloria Mbagu, said the area has been owing the company even before the transformer went bad. She advised the residents to explore BDC complaints.
Now, story. You know what? That year in Igbonadowa, the government of this day in Nigeria, they are formed of like that. Then my father always buy transformer in Igbonadowa. If you live in Ogida, you know what I mean. Then my father, this is how the struggle have been. Even when I was in Nigeria 2017-18, the hotel I lodged, one guy place where for the barb hair there. I just see, if I just want to see, 3 days, I just see Riabolo, I just go there. He told me they paid 5,000 naira for 2 years. They never see get that transformer. So that way that woman, they thought, say they felt they owe. That one is just story. Because they know that definitely it's going to come out on news. Nigerian system have been like this. Now, what must we not do? You see we have a lot of problems today around the world. Go any Edoman platform. You will not see people that talk about it. The only person that's going to be talking about it, now Obaseki Matahola, Obaseki is a gay, Obaseki is a that, Obaseki is a that, Obaseki is that. Then who are you? If I want to throw person, I put your word inside. Your word not feel last for my man. Maybe 1 minute because you are a fool. Why would I be mentioning your name? I will not spend my time mentioning your name. Because the message that God gave to me, he said, go not to the way of Gentile and way of Samaritan. Because they will possess you. Hello. Hello, good evening. What's your name and where are you calling from? Okay, you want to contribute? Okay. Please make it a little bit snappy. Okay, you can speak now.
I like your topic this evening.
Thank you very much.
If Africa was made poor, the fact is that Africa was not made poor.
Okay.
One thing I like about your program, you always back your program up with Bible.
Yeah.
And the Bible says, when the foundation is being destroyed, what can the righteous do?
The righteous do nothing. They go wrong.
The righteous cannot do anything.
At all.
Who are the foundation of Africa? The so-called Nigeria.
Yeah.
If you check the entire net of Africa from the south to the west, to the north, to the east, to Central Africa, the most poorest country and the most backward country in Africa is Nigeria.
Yeah. That's true.
Others are moving forward. Nigeria refused to move forward.
Yeah, they are moving backward.
I was watching one of our Ghana brother who made a video about 4 days ago, was telling the whole Africa that if you go to Europe, you see Germany, Italy, France, Spain, Belgium, they back up, they help the little ones like the Albanese, Kosovo's who have not been able to meet up.
Yeah, that's true.
Support those ones.
Yeah, that's true.
If you go to America, you see USA, you see Canada, you see the rest of them. You go to Australia, you go to Asia country, you see China, Japan, and the rest of them.
Yeah.
They help the little country.
Yes.
But in Africa, the so-called giant of Africa, who's like the baby country in Africa, who has made themselves a dust in Africa, who is to help now? There is no help.
Nobody.
Help is not coming from anywhere.
Yeah.
Because the so-called giant of Africa, they claim me by name, but there's no action.
Yes.
Those are the problems we are facing. And at this junction, at least people like you who are really working hard, who are preaching the gospel of how Africa will go to grow up, how Africa will move forward, we still need to work together.
Yeah.
I like your efforts because I don't too much watch program like this. But sometimes when I come online, I see your program, the way you back it up with Bible, the way you bring vision, the way you bring things to name my understanding.
Yeah,
so
thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Okay, sir.
Do you want to say something? Okay, it's cut off. Please, for the people asking for number is +34 631 056 284. +34 631 056 284. So that's that. Hello. Yeah. Okay, please tell us your name and where you calling from.
My name is Ahis. I'm calling from California.
Okay, up Cali, that United States, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you can talk, sir.
Yeah, bros. There's one woman that called that tried to support Oromenigo and Tony Kabaka.
Yeah.
That man doesn't know what is wrong with. Doesn't know what is
No,
going on.
just leave her. No insult her, bro. Yeah. At least just really present yourself as an American, bro. Just make your point
because if you listen to Oromenigo, he will support Tony Kabaka and support Oshomole. Now he's supporting Oshomole that he condemned before. Now he's coming back to support Oshomole.
And everything said about Oshomole was true, but he's trying to gamble with his life right now.
Yeah, now he's supporting the pastor.
Pastors, I guess these are the people who were in government, nothing to account for.
He was government for when they did not do anything when they are in government. Now he's supporting that man. Before I used to follow that man, but later I know that man is not straightforward. That's why I just deleted it. You know, it's not straightforward. If someone is not good, someone is not good, it's not good.
Yeah, it's not good. What is bad is bad. That's just it.
Yeah, even though you guys come together and have your differences settled, but let people know that this man cannot handle that seat.
That is just it.
They will look for somebody else.
Yeah.
Manigo will just be playing game. I don't know why people is not supporting that game. It's like Tony Kabaka is a terrorist. Tony Kabaka is this. Tony Kabaka killed this. Did you know? Later on now you're supporting Tony Kabaka with Oshomole together. You understand me now? Even though you want to be their friend, let them know, okay, your time is over. Let another person continue.
Yeah, that does it.
Didn't do anything.
There's nothing is bad if you and person get problem and settle around, but not just use your mouth to eat. Not use your mouth to eat everything where you vomit. Your dad just use mouth to eat all like dog. He ate everything. Tomorrow now I can't say that Nomigo not be goat again. Bros, even though me and Ati they play now, goat go be in name. Yeah,
bros.
I don't compromise man. In what I know you to be.
I be from a Edo state that come for Apple man. You understand me now? The way this Tony Kabaka and Shomole and Oromenigo, the way that man they swear, even if say they swear they kill person, that's why if I don't kill Tony Kabaka, kill Oshomole before by this time, say, but don't kill all of them. You know, when they swear, not whose name you not call them. But no. The same man when he swear for the way they support Oshomole again. They support Tony Kabaka. Tony Kabaka will control graduates. He will not go to school.
Now, let me be very frank and sincere with you, bro. There are a lot of things people never knew about Tony Kabaka. You were the one that bring it to a lamplight. Okay, now, let's be frank and sincere to ourselves. He get waiting, anything where I know, say if I call you now, I go regret and tomorrow I don't need to talk him. That's why they fight with sense. Everything I'm told him about in social media is what he have done. Yeah. And if I thought we meet for anywhere tomorrow, say the concert I need to play on BB, I'll still call on that name. This is who you are. I won't denounce it. I won't start telling people tomorrow you are not God. No, you are never God. It's who I know you to be. You vomited and overate the whole vomit. Even they chop another person vomit, join them again. Look at how we choose a lot of people's head. People doesn't even know what they are doing again. You know, when there are a lot of people right now, if they are following you as a leader, they confide in you that you notice more than them, you know. Brainwash everybody at the end of the day, you are taking another thing.
That's what Oromenigo, that's what he's doing. Oromenigo, that's what he's doing. He's not a leader. He's just confusing people. Even when I was following that man, the man confused me. I don't even know where to go again. You know, you support this one today now you support this one. How about people where you don't cause quarrel between Oshomole and between Tony Kabaka?
Nanomigo arrest. Tony Kabaka arrest. I was the one that made the arrest. I was the one that made the announcement. Now me announcement for social media. For her to even settle down, so okay, see, I want to do this thing, you know. I was never too, you know.
That's this one for Bini Agbero. That's this one for Bini because this man not give them. Let me say, I not be PDP fan. I not be APC fan. I not even get party. But all I'm saying is that if anybody not play to their game, they will do against them. You understand me now? Because say this our government not play to their game now. They don't do against them. That man when he called earlier when he thought say he want to. That man said not even know what you know they follow the team well.
You know, say a lot of people one Benin people don't like you, they don't like, you know, the people that read and people that does not read, they are not the same. A quest for freedom is not something you negotiate. Okay, now are you to say thou shall not in the book of Exodus chapter 20 verse 13? Then our country, how am I going to change this? All these people, they have no guiding sense. They have nothing guiding them. That's just the problem. He have no vision. He have no written on his vision. That's why I can go there and go the other side tomorrow. My own, I have a straight vision. The truth is, I cannot turn the Bible upside down. I cannot say you felt bad, you come good. What is bad, and what is good is good. That is just it.
Bro, sorry to cut you short. There was linked to Shomole when Shomole was campaigning, was telling the pastor, what's his name? That man is this, that man is a killer, that man is a this, that man is a this. At the end of the day, the man even follow PDP run things. You understand me? At the end of the day, they not succeed. The man is coming back to APC to come and run things. Why are we trying to cycle? Why would they cycle all these leaders?
I don't understand. I know that area.
Let me say we don't get anybody for Benin.
Must it be the same people because they are born to rule. This will not be. It's not political appointment, political post, political position is not hereditary. So on no account to want somebody being on the line all the time. When you want Fed rule, you were not having innovative idea, you were not even creative. Nothing. No pastor Sagi Amotos. Okay, when I was in the government, look at what I've done. Let your words speak for you. Let your words speak for you.
Look at what I did.
Then one name on this social media, they want to push everybody. Support this.
Bro, so if Ambosali stay there alive, Ambosali, that man can boast. This is what I do for Edo State.
Now. Everybody remembering.
That's what they are enjoying today.
Now.
That's what Ekpoma is enjoying today.
Not being built at university.
Even the road going now the road still there for today. Nobody get one. So why would they sack up people? Bros, I beg, thank God, in fact, thank God for social media.
No, everybody go there if you now. This will not be before say you just come talk any as you like. Who talk any? I will correct them from here now. In offense, the Bible. God bless you, bro.
Because you say make I don't insult.
No insult. No insult. Being that say who say na terrorist don't see come tell us say not be terrorist again. More leave the matter like that. So me, I never.
You don't see the way America they go. You don't see the way America they go. America, if you're a criminal, you are a criminal forever.
Yeah. Make I pick this call, bro. Make I pick the call, bro. Yeah.
It shall be well with you, bro.
Amen. Thank you very much. Ciao, bye. Yeah. Hello. Good evening. Annie. Okay, you want to contribute? Okay, you will have called WhatsApp now. Okay, wait. Let me just put it on speaker. Hold on, let me put it on speaker. You talk a little bit louder, okay? Oh yeah, you can talk now.
Because the phone is there, what you want.
Okay, you can talk, man. You can talk. I said you can talk.
Okay. Good evening to you, sir.
Good evening. God bless you, man. You are welcome. It's okay, we will. Yeah.
The truth is where Managele open name might be ma. Every mana ya when you might set a matter. Machanic the yoke bere.
Yeah.
And Oshomole is very yamu. It should be a right of.
Yeah, God bless you. I thought,
This
God bless you. Yeah.
Who are you? Where you know he was there for 8 years.
8 years.
So
Great. I don't just understand why people are buying this idea. I'm just tired. Huh? These are people that have been there before. They couldn't do anything. Yeah. A leader Sima will both traditional ruling council and why problem man. They never want that state to go forward. Most of them, they are the problem that we have. God bless you. They are the problem. They are the problem. No. So you can go a nobody is stressed about the development of the state. If you don't know what the level Oshomo le ma complete hospital. Ameno when you do the water stone project of Mawe, why we sort person we still come to Benin at all? Stupidity one, no? A very big one. No, even our people on the social media, those one, they are not just the only serious people right now we have in social media who are be agitating for what he need have been under the cannon. He has stand by it, and so he take it back. Nigeria must have a better society. Check the rest of them now. Okay now, take care. God bless you. Ciao, bye. Yeah, bye. Bye. There's a number here that I'll be calling. Let me just try and call back the number. Maybe you want to contribute something. Please, if you are there, go and check our topic. You see link of YouTube there. Just try and subscribe to our YouTube in case more forget substitute when these people finally hook us down. God bless you.
Hello?
God bless you.
Hello. Good evening, sir.
You were trying to call.
Yes, I was trying to call. I just want to contribute about the light issue.
Okay.
I said, why is this not that Nigeria should, not Nigeria, because they said the light issue is for federal government.
Yeah.
Edo State, there are so many rich people in Edo State. When they can go to solar energy, when someone cannot do the example for solar energy, there are
maybe
so
money
many streets
finish.
in Benin.
Made their money finish. I say what that made their money finish.
No, sir, no, I know. There's so many streets in Benin that one street there will be one big man in that street.
They are for themselves a big man. Now only Europe person you for big, you will help the people.
Okay, that's you. Wait, they will just buy generator, buy fuel. They don't have sense.
That's what they are doing now. They
solar energy.
They love doing it. They are busy hotel about. They are not ready. None of them is ready for Edo State to go forward. If they are ready in 10 years' time, Edo State will be better than Dubai. I bet you that. They are not ready. They are not. You can see the excessive killing today now. Who bother care about it?
Yes.
Who cares about it?
Okay, sir. Another thing that I want to talk about is because I don't follow them up always. It's the one that they said about Tony Kabaka and Oshomole and Obaseki. I don't know Obaseki. I don't know Oshomole. I don't know any of them. But only one thing I want to say: all the governors that came to those states there, all of them is money.
Yeah.
They rule for 8 years.
Yes.
All of them will come that east money, they will rule for 8 years.
Yeah.
Why is Obaseko different?
Uh-huh.
Why do they not want him to rule for 8 years?
Uh-huh.
People say he is eating money.
He's not even eating now. Obaseki is working. Obaseki is doing his best. He's doing his best because
Obaseki is doing the best he can.
Yeah.
He's not the rest governor that will just come and sit down because they know that they can't shop from me. Godfather. Godfather is the one that is killing Edo State.
Definitely.
You will put person in governor.
Definitely.
You want to make Godfather.
Courtesan, we cannot stop.
Eh?
Our sons and our daughter, they are killing themselves because we cannot call Fulani. We cannot evacuate them from Edo State. So what are we doing?
Look at Tony Kabaka. He cannot stand for Edo State that say this Fulani.
No, they're not that time. Have you ever one day said that these same people are saying there is no road in Benin, there is no light? If they came out and begin to protest now, government, you must give us light. They will do something. So Edo State have no bumper platinum now. They've submitted and look at what they need. It's only Edo State I've seen 30 states in Nigeria who have not written down what they need. They never write them.
You see?
They never write them. True to God. They are not writing anything. They are not writing anything.
For saying the truth, God will bless you. The other day I was seeing the story about I thought Obaseki text someone I thought to Raino here. This one I thought to Raino. What a nonsense.
all those people are multi-millionaires.
Even it's just their problem.
Even the program we are doing right now. Have you ever one day seen me begin to cry online? I do the sponsoring myself. The program I sponsor it myself. But I know a lot of people then he will say he laptop now so then burner. He even lied to me what he bought in AliExpress 250. He said na $5,000. If I insult people, they say, "Well, I don't want to forgive him." All those are deadline. You cannot do something. You cannot. You don't fight freedom like that. If you want to fight, and you fight it with sincerity. Okay, now there was a time, madam. Let me tell you this before you cut off the phone. There was a time, you know, Habakkuk was just like human being, you and I. He was complaining, and God called him in the book of Habakkuk, chapter 2, verse 2. He said, Habakkuk, you always complain that things are not okay. What you need, write it down, make it plain. He said that whosoever that read it, he might support you. That was, he may run with it. He said, although the vision I'm giving to you is for an appointed time, he said, wait for it. He go tell, but wait for it. What have they done written down? Do we have a list that this year, look at what we want to achieve? Anywhere believe is eno go gather for here. When you gather, your children are killing yourself. What's the need of the gathering? Why gather back? Why gather back? Aluta continue à poker. Paraké. Thank you very much, madam. God bless you. My regard to the family.
Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Bye-bye.
God bless you. Until we begin to tell ourselves the truth, we have to charge all our leaders from the local government level to the state level. Here, when they only matter, let them have division of what they need. My own late biological father, my own biological father, or I don't let go transform Igbenadua. Go and ask there. Igbenadua was they buy their transform by themselves. So if all the big man in Benin, they really want to bring like, let them borrow out money. Later, Ukpani Aguilera, the beast that will be coming. One person can pull light in that Benin. Privatize it. One person can put, Benin can have a light on his own as autonomous. In security, we are not autonomous. In salary pay, now will be for autonomous. In security, we are not autonomous. Edo State have no his own personal police today. Barcelona and Spain have their personal police. That's why Mozo Esquadra is not in any part of Spain. They are the one paying it, not the federal government. From their tax revenue where they get actually they pay them. Then we are here fooling ourselves. Hello, good evening. Good evening. You want to contribute, sir? Please, you can tell us your name and tell us where you are calling from, or if where you are calling from did not matter, then just tell us your name and contribute, sir. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Kevin. I'm calling from Amsterdam.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
It's not my first time I'm calling you. I've been calling you from time to time.
But what you are going to do after this very time, you add me on WhatsApp and send me your name so that I can be able to differentiate it whenever you call again, sir. Okay. You can talk, sir. Okay.
It's nobody else right now. Oshomola is not the right person. It's not Iyamu is not the right person. Anybody clapping hand for his day, who doesn't like anything, he don't like the kingdom.
Yeah, at all. Yeah.
I think Opini, when Oshomola was there, I think Opini, when Obaseki was there, this last year, less than a year ago, I saw the work Obaseki is doing.
Yeah.
Even though he's not doing enough, but he's doing something.
Yeah, for under 3 years with the development we have seen so far, that's okay now. Under 3 years with what we have seen so far, if he be given the geographical latitude to do more 4 years, I think that should be a pass mark. Yeah.
Because I'm looking at everything, but the way I look at everything, because Ogbamuja is number 1, followed by Abu Salim.
Yeah.
This guy is not taking now. It's big for someone already.
Yeah, well, don't beat him, don't beat him.
It's big for someone already. Flat for someone down.
Yeah.
Now, the next person is Abu Salim record.
Yeah.
We should give this man a chance to rule the game for that point.
Yeah.
Forget about this short guy, this enemy of progress, I mean, like, exactly. If like this person, all that from a close state, if you see the work of Pastor King is doing, he's trying his best.
Yeah.
Because when this time of Shomole, the first son, he worked for 3 years. Then the very 1 year, he started for campaign. I said, okay, after next 4 years, I'm going to work more. From there, Shomole is not work again.
Yeah.
So, my brother, my contribution is this. I want everybody to speak this my mind.
Thank you very much, sir.
Allow this man to rule again for another 4 years. It's only a opportunity we have right now.
Yeah.
It's one of the opportunities we have right now.
It's just the truth. At all. He had been there before now. He didn't do anything. He did not do anything. He was there before now.
So, that is my contribution.
Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Please send me your name on WhatsApp so that I can store your number to avoid too much misconceptions some other time you are calling. Please, if you know you want to call, we're going to be taking one more call, then we'll call it a day. Yeah, maybe by the grace of God, tomorrow we can go to leader 3 or we'll go to another topic. I pray that God Almighty give us the strength and the grace. This very fixing up our country, our state, need to be done by everybody. One, first of all, get repented from that your archaic mind. Go and check the meaning of freedom. Go and check the meaning of how to have a good society. You don't begin to compromise your faith today. You stand firm. You stand firm. You can't because today you are black, tomorrow. No, you don't do it like that. Ever since I've been in this struggle since 2017, it has been kicking against bad society. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Please. Okay, what's your name, Chairman? Okay, what you are going to do after this very point in time, you send me your name so that to enable me store your number in case of other time. Okay, you can speak, sir.
Okay, bros. Yeah, it is the door.
Very. We want Zo, my brother. We want Zo.
So, Osagwa Deba, my brother, because
it's okay, we will.
Because I can't wait maybe Oviedo or we governor or the ledo because we might make it one career to the Kabaka Kelly and Obigo Koseni Omano Murupa and Rupano Munavia Pano Ogosalopa Alele, actually Ranovigo and Adele to the Kabaka because I will not have any massive and every man in my Cabas on a mother son.
Yeah.
Papa on your way not the Gunadican or Modo or Sadian or Mueva and the big boy here, you
yeah.
So Oviedo are defining the show. What a day you let there on Abuja.
Yeah, oh, yeah, you.
Abuja. So, Oviedo, no, that is a Kenyan. I'm near a woman here doing Emma Yao. This one near when me up here, you get a battery, organically, Yamawe or Mahia. I can't wait on here, not give you to make a choice here. I can make a choice here. Election, and you go there.
And we are going to vote, yeah. Yeah, that's true.
see that place.
Even on my have a picture now. We saw it on picture. Okay.
Okay, well, we must know that Nanya. Oh, Barado, a Fulani lad, a Fulani,
Yeah, you a belly man. Yeah, you a belly man. I mean, of Mayo. Umie PC chairman, Ladia. Umie one chief the local government or we protest on our Georgia. Yeah.
Because
at all. A man try. A no saying a rotten state in Edovania. Imagine building education, building this, training teachers, you know. Mabusena, yeah. I was talking with one person just now. We can so my way now okay no man okperi ni kere webo. Ina no we let me just abbreviate. Now we amana we agwan kan some situations about when the school year webo. Or we Nigeria hana finish school. Or we because we ain't zero na we ego na yaje school. So in a way so a less privileged one where we can now get because you know I've said it before where we are less privileged ones. You cannot train your child here abroad. Or when one gets a 20 waiting almost to momigo. So why are one way bekoy? Very maybe bekoy why are one way begging how one nanity where I would say Nigeria good though my picky for just go house, go school, or finish a school holiday, or we have a day because of maybe you cannot train your child here with your own highest money in the university. Momigo. We are talking about millions. Momigo. Except what we were Zuaven Webeji. Nonsense people. They don't know what they are doing.
If you sorry way, what can Palanimo, if you sorry way, what can anything if you do entity about it because of your domain. No, so I feel my vegan, I'm imagine having any code out.
A meta slavery one, no, Ogi my reason say. Mommy, what do you buy? Even people I was not even people I was even expecting where already sustained the lockdown even for 6 months. In your castle, we will give you because that is why if Obaseki have known a different people who anyone got any party he would have not called them. That's why look at what happened in the if not soon we go, maybe a lot of people are just coming. Let me bring it up.
And again, right now, the money who donate. A donation you have near donate in Nigeria. Where we be on somewhere you will
Oh, yeah, no, yeah, my donate. And do you know the worst thing? Who will have many chieftains? They do those states. No, we can condemn me upon the federal government. When you who will buy me a cogive now, a cogive, Senator Dilo Melaye, in one we could give Wagba. Is firing the federal government. Who many prominent person from those states who condemn what the federal government is doing? Who will buy me not? Ah, Salobon Lao. How do I control why I'm with man well? Alagodo we no see we ke there we boy hang abo we dey brother o ri mo re alawa. Who send the well minister? La send the well minister the number. I thought you say, you know, the man not get machine gun up say that. And if you dey shoot gun, Benin is good for Edo State is good for you. But not like gentleman, my dear, you will find it difficult. Look at it, let me give it to us again. 1 carton of Indomie was given to 10 treats to share Enogi of Ego Palace. This was the message that came from Enogi of Ego Palace. 1 carton of Indomie were given 10 treats to share. So all this one now is to just tarnish His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki. And I pray that the people that is surrounding Obaseki, they should be working sincerely with their heart. Anyone that is close to Obaseki, just because of what you are going to gain, not because they want the man to fulfill the dreams which God have given to him. When you are personal service greedy way. No, you have bad menstruation. We are very interested. Thank God more giant is going to still rise up. So let me end it broadcast here. God bless you all in Jesus' name. Amen. So let's end up the broadcast here.
I don't know.
God bless you in Jesus' name. God bless. Please share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please do us a favor. If you have not subscribed, you see the topic there. You click see more. You click see more. Then you follow that link. Subscribe. Or you can go to IAACP TV. You put space IAACP TV. Then please subscribe so that we'll get a substitute in case when these people made up their mind tomorrow, because they are shutting down a lot of pages right now. So we are not that we are expecting it or we have violated the rules and regulations on Facebook, but there are some people that have been so wicked who reported my Facebook throughout last year. But if they try this year, something terrible is going to happen.